Next, let us try to understand the construction and working of P-channel MOSFET exactly on the same lines which we have done for N-channel MOSFET. Okay, so now you have to keep on interpreting what exactly we are going to do in the construction and working part. Okay, so what has to be done? The first thing which has to be remembered, that when P-channel MOSFET has to be formed, what you have to do is you have to take a semiconductor which is P type semiconductor. Okay, P type semiconductor. Then these two terminals will be, it will be, अभी तक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, this is source and this is drain. Okay, now we have to form one PN junction on the one side of the semiconductor. To form a PN junction, P already है, P type semiconductor है तो P region तो already available है हमारे पास में. तो हम क्या करेंगे, PN junction बनाने के लिए N region बनाना है. तो N region बनाने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we will dope pentavalent impurity. So when you dope a pentavalent impurity, there will be an N region, and this terminal, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, this terminal is called as substrate, and substrate is always internally connected with the source. Okay, फिर उसके बाद में क्या करना है कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट में. अब on the other side, in front of substrate, what we have to do is we have to form a MOS मतलब क्या, सेमीकंडक्टर के लेयर के ऊपर एक ऑक्साइड का लेयर SiO2 और उसके ऊपर एक मेटल का डेपोजिशन. सो दिस इज metal, and this terminal which will be taken out called as gate. Okay, this terminal which is taken out is called as gate. So now we have metal oxide semiconductor, and as I have told you earlier, metal acts as one plate of the capacitor, semiconductor acts as one plate of the capacitor, and this oxide, which is an insulator, acts as a dielectric. So this metal oxide semiconductor, they form a capacitor, and basic use of capacitor is to store charge. जिस भी पोलैरिटी के कनेक्शन उसको दोगे आप, उस पोलैरिटी के चार्ज उसमें स्टोर होना चालू हो जाएंगे. बट करंट कैनॉट फ्लो थ्रू द कैपेसिटर, है ना, उसमें चार्ज स्टोर हो सकता, वो उसमें से करंट फ्लो नहीं होगा, राइट. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज द कैपेसिटर. सो दिस इज द construction of a P channel MOSFET. So you have to take a P type semiconductor. Okay, the two terminal will be named as source and drain. Then we have to form a PN junction on one side of the P type semiconductor. For that we have to do pentavalent impurity, which will give you N region. That terminal will be called as substrate, and substrate is always connected internally to the source. On the other side, on the other side of the substrate, what we have to do is, over a semiconductor layer we have to deposit an oxide. Generally the oxide used is silicon dioxide, and over which we will have a metal deposition, and the terminal which is taken out from the metal is called as metal oxide semiconductor, is called as gate. Okay, and now what we will do is we will apply a polarity in such a way that current flows from source to drain, and this current is controlled by the external field which has been applied between gate and source. So that is what we will try to understand in the operation part of P channel MOSFET. Okay, so again we have to draw the diagram, and for your ease I will show that the substrate is internally connected with the source. Okay, so this is drain, this is source. Okay, then an N channel, PN junction has to be formed. This terminal will be called as substrate, which is internally connected with the source. On other side there will be an oxide layer. Generally used oxide is SiO2, then a metal deposition, and the terminal which will be taking out is called as gate. And now, as I said, we have to apply a polarity between source and drain such a way that current flows from source to drain. So अब यहाँ पर क्या है, this is a P type semiconductor, that means it will have large amount of large amount of holes. So holes being positively charged, they will be repelled by the positive terminal. So this is positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, so the charge carrier will be repelled by the source, attracted by the drain. So source should be connected to positive, drain should be connected to negative, and this potential is called as drain to source voltage. And when such polarity is applied, what will happen is the holes will be repelled by the source, attracted by the drain, and current will flow through the transistor. That current will be called as IDS, drain to source current. Okay, now this current has to be controlled by the external potential which has to be applied between gate and source. So for understanding, what I will do is, for P channel I will start the gate terminal to be positive. Okay, again through switch S, this is plus, this is minus, and this potential is between gate and source, so it is called as VGS. Okay, so if the switch is open, okay, first case, switch is open. When switch is open, as if it is, there is no polarity between gate and source, and if there is no polarity between gate and source, there will be no charge carrier which will be formed on the capacitor formed by metal oxide semiconductor. Okay, so what happens is, at that point I can say VGS is equal to 0. और अगर यहाँ पर कोई चार्ज कैरियर है नहीं कैपेसिटर में, तो कोई भी एक्सटर्नल फोर्स ये चार्ज कैरियर के ऊपर नहीं है, इसका मतलब है दिस चार्ज कैरियर विल इजीली मूव फ्रॉम source to drain. Okay, so at that point we can say IDS will be maximum. Okay, second, when VGS is equal to, or VGS when we try to increase, as soon as I will switch on this button, what happens is this positive terminal get connected to the capacitor formed by metal oxide semiconductor. So positive charge start accumulating on the capacitor, and this positive charge will repel the holes which are moving from source to drain. So what happens is, out of this charge carrier, few charge carrier will move towards the PN junction. Instead of going towards drain, they will move towards the PN junction. That means move towards the substrate. And what happens is, in substrate, N connected to negative and the holes are connected to positive. So this PN junction, N is connected to negative, P is connected to positive. That means this PN junction is forward biased. Okay, and when it is forward biased, the holes will enter into N region and get attracted by the negative terminal. So what happens is, as soon as VGS is applied, IDS starts decreasing. Okay, IDS start decreasing. And third case, when VGS is मैक्सिमम, जब वो मैक्सिमम रहेगा तो बहुत सारे चार्ज कैरियर ये कैपेसिटर में फॉर्म होंगे, कैपेसिटर के पास में फॉर्म होंगे, और ये जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है ये क्या करेंगे, दे विल रिपेल ऑल द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो अब क्या होगा, so the electrons will be repelled, and instead of going towards drain, they will move towards the PN junction diode. And in the PN junction diode, as it is forward bias, all the charge carrier will enter into N region and get attracted by the negative terminal. So now what happens is, no charge carrier is moving from source to drain, instead they are moving to substrate. So IDS जो है, मतलब ड्रेन से सोर्स के तरफ जो करंट जा रहा था, that will be 0, है ना. मतलब अगर अपने VGS को पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल दिया, गेट को पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल दिया, तो करंट जो है that will become 0, है ना. हम लोग उसको पोटेंशियल को वेरी करके हम लोग करंट कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, which is flowing from through the transistor. So the external field which is applied between gate and source controls the current flowing from source to drain. Okay, so that is why it is called as field effect transistor. And this MOS, metal oxide semiconductor, because of this construction, that type of transistor is called as MOSFET. Okay, now this is when for a P channel I have connected a positive potential. What happens if I connect it to the negative potential? See what happens. Okay, gate and source, gate is connected to negative and source is connected to positive. So now what will happen is, instead of positive charge, यहाँ पर क्या जमा होगा, जो भी पोलैरिटी से वो कनेक्टेड है वो पोलैरिटी के चार्ज यहाँ जमा हो गए, मतलब नेगेटिव चार्ज जमा होगा। तो आप बोलोगे कि हो सकता है सर ये होल्स जो है दे विल गेट अट्रैक्टेड टू द नेगेटिव चार्ज, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ऑक्साइड लेयर विच एक्ट्स एज इंसुलेटर, वो जो चार्ज कैरियर है ऑफकोर्स दे कैन नॉट गो टू दिस नेगेटिव टर्मिनल, ओके। Sorry, this charge carrier holes cannot be attracted to the negative terminal, and at this point what you can see is N is connected to positive, P is connected to negative। तो ये जो PN जंक्शन डायोड है ये भी रिवर्स बायस हो गया, ये भी रिवर्स बायस हो गया। और रिवर्स बायस में क्या होता है, जंक्शन रेजिस्टेंस विल इंक्रीज, और जंक्शन रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ गया तो चार्ज कैरियर फ्लो होंगे क्या उसमें से, नो। सो द ओनली पाथ लेफ्ट फॉर दिस होल्स इज टू मूव टूवर्ड्स द ड्रेन, ठीक है। दैट मीन्स heavy amount of charge carrier is moving from source to drain, that means transistor is conducting heavily, मतलब उस टाइम पे है ना IDS will be maximum, और IDS अगर maximum है तो we can say the transistor is working in saturation region। so जो पोलैरिटी हम गेट और सोर्स के बीच में लगाएंगे उससे हम करंट कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं ऑफ द ट्रांजिस्टर, ठीक है। सो व्हेन VGS इज पॉजिटिव है ना, गेट पी चैनल के लिए गेट टू सोर्स वोल्टेज अगर पॉजिटिव है तो नो करंट फ्लोज इन द ट्रांजिस्टर, IDS बिकम 0, एंड व्हेन VGS is negative, heavy amount of current is flowing through the transistor. So that means transistor can be used as a switch. It can work in cutoff region or saturation region, है ना। When VGS is positive, it is in cutoff region. When VGS is negative, it is in saturation region. So that is how MOSFETs can be used as a transistor. So this is construction and working of P-channel MOSFET. Okay, P-channel MOSFET. So if you I will just symbolic representation. So symbolic representation of P channel and N channel MOSFET will be like this, okay. This is the gate terminal, okay, this is source, drain, source, substrate, ठीक है। this is gate, this is drain, source is substrate is internally connected with the source, and there will be one terminal which will be taken out, okay। so same symbolic representation is true like this, okay। so this is the condition, or we can actually connect all these three lines and we can take one terminal as substrate out. Different books will have different symbolic representation, okay। so if the arrow mark is outward, okay, this is also gate, drain, source, substrate, drain, source, substrate. If the arrow mark is outward, that is P channel MOSFET, okay, P channel depletion type MOSFET. And if the arrow mark is inward, it is N channel depletion type MOSFET. So this is symbolic representation of N channel and P channel depletion type MOSFET, okay. In the next video we will try to understand enhancement type MOSFET, okay. That working, the basic difference between the depletion type and enhancement type is depletion type is naturally on transistor and enhancement type is naturally off transistor. What exactly that means, of course we will try to understand when we understand the construction and working of N channel and P channel enhancement MOSFET, okay. Thank you so much.